It is amazing braid hairstyle o'clock. Hey guys, you're welcome to the channel. It's your girl Fever Beauty World and I've come again with another mind-blowing video. So in this particular video, I've brought together amazing braid hairstyles. These are hairstyles that all you need to do is to braid the front and round of it. And the center, you just sew in your hair extension as you can see it in this video and you're good to go. To my amazing new subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're just coming across our video or our channel for the first time, hey, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel. Please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. You're welcome. Do not make it your last time. Subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Look at how they are trying to transform this particular braid. This particular one has small waves, or should I call it curls at the tip, and the hairstylist is actually doing a perfect job to it. For the fact that all these hairstyles came out so neat and perfect is one thing that I love about the hairstyle. Though I don't know about the maintenance because the maintenance will be a little bit stressful. You combine it or it, but they shall know how to maintain it, sha. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much. Please, if you are yet to check out other of our videos in the channel, please do well to check out other amazing video in the channel. I have videos ranging from hairstyle tutorials, mind-blowing hairstyle, just name it, the trending ones, short braid hairstyle, stitch braid, whichever type of hairstyle that you could think of. I have the video in this particular channel because I brought it together for you guys. So do well to check it out, like the video, subscribe. Look at this particular one. This particular one that I'm seeing on the screen right now is giving rich auntie vibes. And man, the hairstylist actually did a perfect job. Come and take your flowers because you did a good job on it. And again, this particular one too is knotless braid, but they leave out some of the hair extension, making it to give that big anti vibes and all that. So if you are looking for a hairstyle that will make you to stand out, that will make you to look rich and beautiful, try out this amazing hairstyle transformation that I brought together for you guys, and I'm sure you will like the outcome. Please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and to give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment telling us where you're watching from. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.